Okay. So, welcome. It's time for a retouching video for the subs choice with Stefano we did. I will link to that video over there. You should watch that first, because this is a composite we're making when we only using one flash. So now in this video I will put them together in Photoshop. So this is kind of a speed retouching, so it will not be 5 hours long, you know. So let's start. Here we have 10 images that I chosen, and I open them as layers in Photoshop. And first I will decide which image we should have as a base. I think I would choose the first one we took. Sorry for the noise if you hear cars. I have a balcony open here. Okay, this is the first one, and then I took the second one, and I make sure it's aligned perfectly. It's the second image. Yes, with this holder inside. Got nice rim light there, and also inside. And there's a bit harsh rim lights that we got. We should really taken down the power a bit. It's a bit too powerful for these rim lights, but hey, no, this subs choice, everything goes. You know, when making a shoot takes like 1 hour, and then I cut it down to like 15. I try to keep it around 10-15 minutes. So normally, you know, you don't stress like this when you're doing a real shot, of course. Hello neighbor. That was the second layer, the holder. Now I'm looking for the third one. What? Ah, it's the like the membrane on the microphone. It's a bit sad because we never took an image when the inside of the membrane looks this absolutely gorgeous, because I know that we had one of those. We never took that shot. I think it was my fault actually. So this is a bit too dark, I think. You don't see enough inside, so later I will switch this out actually. Hey, what can you do? Now I'm looking for something else. Maybe it's the cable there. The rim light on the cable. Hello. Switching. There's like a nice rim light down there and the rim light on the top there, so it will separate from the background. This camera is so good. Just follows. Small tiny rim light there. Okay, it's the cable. I want to have a rim light there, so it will thin edge of light. Another layer. It's just a thin rim light for the knob there, so it will pop out a bit from the background. And also on the left side. I really wish we had this inside there. Well. Yes, now I think I will, I put in brighter on the membrane, changing it completely, because I thought it was too dark. What I'm doing now? It's the cable again. Okay, I find another one where it was a bit thicker, I guess, or? Okay. Rotating, you hit the R key and then you can rotate the image. And then it's easier to paint in and to get the line there straight for the cable. Now I'm putting on the curves layer adjustment layer and making an S curve. I think I want to get rid of the background. Yeah, make everything disappear there and put on a bit more contrast so it will pop out. Now I'm looking for something else. I don't know what. Oh, I think I just make sure I didn't miss anything. Cleaning up. I put on a vibrance layer, and yeah, this part was yellow and I'm helping it a bit to make it pop out a bit. Hue saturation layer. Okay, I'm adding even more color, I guess, something. So what else? What am I up to? I think I checking the name there of the product. I mean SM7. I think I want. Yeah, I found one where you can see a bit of the Shure logo. So I was adding that too. Now I'm just content aware fill. Take away that crap background, rotating and straightening it up a bit. Content aware fill. Boom. And what else? Oh, selective color adjustment layer, and I go into the blacks, make sure just set the blacks where I want them to be, I guess. And looks ready to me. Okay, curves layer again. I think I want to take down the highlights of the rim lights up there, so they're not in your face so much. So I'm taking it down a bit. And now I think I'm cleaning up everything. Yeah, there we have the final image. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this. We'll try to keep it short, and there will be more videos, but there's so much work for me right now, but it will calm down hopefully, and then there will be much more tutorials. That's the plan, I promise. See you next time.